Welcome in, ladies and gents. So today we're going to be looking at the OBS transition table plugin by exeldro. It makes life so much easier when you're setting up your transitions from different scenes and you want certain transitions. Anyway, enough of me waffling. Let's get into it. Right, ladies and gents. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the OBS forums website, which we have right here. Funnily enough, we're going to go to this section of the website, but I will put the link in the description to it. You can go to the forums, you can search it that way, whichever way works best, but we'll put the link in the description. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the download section, make sure OBS is closed before we try and install this. I always go for the installer. It's simple, it's easy. It's all just next, and it'll install it for you. So what does this do for your OBS? The main thing we are going to get from it is you can be able to set different transitions for different scenes. So you can set a transition from, say, any scene to your be right back or your be right back. We'll show you. This is what it's going to do. So here we go. So we are currently on. We will go to our just chatting. We'll go to our just chatting scene here, and it's everything's set fade to color. Everything's set fade to color on my just down here. If I can, you can just see it now because the camera was in the way, but it is set to fade to color. So we don't want that for this scene. Say if we don't want to go to that, we go to tools. We go scroll down to transition table, we click that. Right, so you come to this, we will just, there is a bit of a slight issue with it. Might be the version I've got, I might have a slightly older version, but that's beside the point. Right, so we want to go, so say example to, from, I don't know, say we're going from the marbles one to, what are we on now? Just chatting, and we want to set it to a cut. We want to set, you can set the duration. So we're going to say 1,000 milliseconds or a second. Open up a tiny bit wider, and we press set. So that's sets for this scene. Okay. So, and say we want to do it the reverse way round, but we want to do it a different way. So we want to go from just chatting to marbles, but we want to go to just a normal fade and set it. So at the moment you can't see that which ones you have set. To do that, you just click off here, click to the top, and it gives the ones you set. You can select the ones you want and delete them if you want. So, say example, we're just going to put one random sports news to, I don't know, BRB, and it's going to be a cut, and we'll set that. And if we want to delete that, we can just go back into here. We can find the sports news one, and we can just delete that from the list. Simple as that. So now, if we go from just chatting to marbles, 1 second, let's just zoom out. So we go just chatting to marbles. There we go. And from marbles, just chatting, it was a cut. We've got a fade, and just simple as. Obviously, you can set, there's different transitions you can obviously set. You can do your stinger if you've got a stinger. You can do basically, it's pretty simple. And exeldro just makes it work. Just an absolute legend. So make sure you do go on the forums and give him a 5-star review, because the stuff that he makes is second to none in my opinion. So thank you, ladies. So thank you, ladies and gents. Another pretty short one, but very much needed video, I think, and it can set your stream apart, and you can set different transitions for everything. So as for now, that is all. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.